Welcome back. NIDI has visited Mines Pollution Control Board and Water Resource Department and have sought data related to mining and its impact on environment. NIDI will prepare the report based on the data and will submit the report before the Supreme Court. Two members of the team, NIDI, will meet stakeholders, mine owners and petitioners during their 4-day visit. It will recommend the state government how much of fresh extraction of iron ore can be allowed.
The National Environment Engineering Research Institute held a meeting with Mines and Geology Department and asked for data related to mines. Department has submitted all the data which contains number of working mining leases, dead leases and other data related to mines. NIDI will recommend the government how much fresh extraction of iron ore can be allowed. Department suggested them to collect the samples of water from rivers near mining leases and those away from mining leases to analyze water quality. Mines Department has requested NIDI to submit the preliminary interim report before 15th February so that it can be placed before the Supreme Court. NIDI visited Goa State Pollution Control Board and sought data regarding the water and air pollution before and after mining in the mining areas. Sources informed that board has submitted some data which was submitted by mining companies earlier. NIDI also visited Water Resource Department and seek data with regards to groundwater level. All the data will be compiled and will be submitted on Monday. Sources claim that NIDI wants 6 months period to prepare the report. It may be extended if mining does not resume within that period. They will be in Goa till 6th January. They are likely to meet stakeholders, mine owners and petitioners too. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's one more acquittal for Dupatta killer Mahanand Naik. The Margao District and Sessions Court acquitted alleged serial killer Mahanand Naik in Dipali Jotkar murder case on Friday. Goa police had claimed that Mahanand befriended the victim and later killed her. According to Goa police, when Mahanand was arrested in 2009, he confessed killing Dipali.
The District and Sessions Court at Margao on Friday acquitted serial killer Mahanand Naik in Dipali Jotkar murder case. The trial court held that the prosecution failed to establish that Mahanand had killed the victim. According to Goa police, Mahanand Naik first befriended her on 23rd November 2006, then abducted Dipali Jotkar with the promise of marriage and took her to an isolated spot at Fatorpa and killed her. He then removed her gold ornaments and disposed the body in the tunnel and sold the gold ornaments. Mahanand was arrested in 2009. Police say he had confessed killing Dipali. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
PSIs with criminal background have been recruited in Goa police. They are also sent to Gujarat for further training. These policemen were charge sheeted by Goa police for rape, extortion and in trespass cases. Congress has demanded scrapping of the recruitment process. Congress leader Durgadas Kamath said he would petition the High Court for justice.
A batch of police sub-inspectors has been sent to Gujarat for training. Around 103 police are being deputed for the training. Congress worker Durgadas Kamath informed that some amongst the sub-inspectors sent for training are charge-sheeted by Goa police for rape, extortion and trespass.
आम्ही काय दिसा पयली RTI एप्लिकेशन केल्ले DGP ऑफिसाक PSI रिक्रुटमेंटाचेर आनी ताचेर आज कळून येता की क्रिमिनल्स charge sheeted for rape, extortion and trespass case हांकां रिक्रूट केल्ले गेल्ले आसा. ह्या सरकारान असल्या लोकांक रिक्रूट करून खरेंच डिपार्टमेंटाचें परिवर्तन घडिल्लें आसा. क्रिमिनल्स आनी चार्ज शीट केल्ले लोक गोंय राखूं शकतले काय होच प्रश्न आमकां पडला आतां.
He also said that he would approach the High Court demanding justice.
आमी हायकोर्टाक पेटिशन करतले हो एंटायर रिक्रुटमेंट प्रोसेस कॅन्सल करपाक, कारण क्रिमिनल लोक आमचे गोंय राखूं शकचे नात. जेन्ना मनोहर पर्रीकर ओपोजिशन लिडर आशिल्लो त्या टायमार बोवाळ घालतालो की होम डिपार्टमेंट एंटायरली फेल जाला. आज हांव सांगपाक सोदतां की एंटायर डिपार्टमेंट फेल जाला क्रिमिनल्सांक रिक्रूट करून.
Kamath said he will write to the Governor Bharatveer Vanchu on recruitment of PSIs with criminal background. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Sushant Pearl.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.